our class will run smoothly. So please all participants try to respond. I think some participants are unable to hearing me. Okay, please rejoin. Okay, please, if any participant face issue regarding voice, you should rejoin your class. Your issue will be resolved. Okay. Now, please, participant, confirm me. You have both tools in your PC or laptop. In our first class, we have learned how to install R and RStudio. So please confirm me. You have both tools, R and RStudio, in your laptop. Hello. I am. Please respond me. I have both tools. So I am typing here installed both. Please, if you have both tools, type installed both. If you don't have, type don't have both tools. Please reply quickly. Okay, Mubashir Ahmed have both. Okay, please, next participant. Please reply all participants. Yes, men's also have both tools. Please hurry. Reply me as soon as possible. I need response from all participants, which are especially who are registered participants. Okay. Now, first I want to show you. Okay, Arsan says you may installed after this class by watching demo class video. I already have sent recording in group, both in demo group as well as in registered participant group. You can watch this video and install R and RStudio. But no, you can attend 2-day class. We just we don't need R and RStudio in 2-day class. Okay, but participant have, you need to confirm some more things. So all participant, open your desktop, and you have a in desktop your R 4.4.2. Here is R 4.4.2. Click on it. It will show you screen like this. This is R programming. This is the page. This is the dashboard of R programming. Please confirm me. Have you opened it successfully? I have opened it. No, I am typing here. Done. All participants, please open R and type done within chat. And check this screen is visible to you on your PC or laptop. If any participant have issue or unable to understand, you can open your mic, you can ask any question. Please all participants respond. Just only 2 participants have replied me. Done. Okay. Here you need to confirm you have the latest version of R 4.4.2. No, I have here 4.4.2. So I am typing here 4.4.2 and press enter so that I can confirm you have the latest version of R programming. Today is our first class, so I want to confirm each and everything which we will be used in our training. Please type version name 4.4.2. Okay, thank you, Mubashir Ahmed. Okay, now you need to click close this R programming. Here is a cross button. Click on it. It will ask you a question. Save workspace images. Click on no. Your R programming will closed. Now you need to open RStudio. To open RStudio, you need to come on window search bar button. Here is the window search bar button with start button, start menu. Click on this search bar. When you click on it, it will show you RStudio. But maybe you don't have RStudio in your search bar, then you need to search here RStudio. When you type RStudio, it will give you two options. First is RStudio app and second is RStudio EXE. EXE is the setup of RStudio. When you click on it, it will start installation process. You always need to click on app. So click on RStudio app. When you click on it, it will give you RStudio dashboard. All participants, please open RStudio dashboard and type done within chat. I have done, so I am typing here done. Now you have 4 windows in your RStudio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you have 3. So I have 4 windows. I am typing here 4. If you have 3, type 3. Please open RStudio and type. If you have 3 screens, type 3. If you have 4 screens, type 4. Now I have also 3 screens. Click on this button. Here is a minimize and maximize button. Click on this button, minimize or maximize. When you click on this button, it will show you 4 screen. Again, click on maximize button. It will show you 3 screen. Again, click 4 screen. No, please, all participants confirmed. No, you have 4 screens. So this is the RStudio. Now, next question. What is the difference between R and RStudio? But before moving to next step, I want to confirm one thing more. Please come on screen number 2. Here is screen number 2. This is screen number 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is screen number 2. In screen number 2, below this console button, there is a version name of R 4.4.2 within RStudio. So also confirm me you have 4.4.2 within RStudio. You have 4.4.2 of RStudio, of R programming. Please confirm. Check your screen number 2 at this point. Here is 4.4.2. Please all participants confirm. Just only Mubashir Ahmed have confirmed me. If you have another version 4.4.1, please type in your message 4.4.1. If you have 4.3, please type your version name in screen number 2. Okay, I think maximum participant have 4.4.2. It's mean you have the latest version of R and RStudio. Now, we need to understand what is the difference between R and RStudio and which tool we will use for data analysis. So, our first question is, what is the difference between R and RStudio? No, I want to show you a difference between R and RStudio within a simple example. Please, any participant want to open your mic? Mubashir Ahmed, please open your mic.
Hello, sir. I am listening
Hello,
you. Uh, Hello, sir.
Mubashir
Assalamu alaikum,
Ahmed,
sir.
are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. I am
Okay,
hearing you.
okay, thank you. I have a few questions from you so that I can tell you about the difference between R and RStudio. Okay. For example, we have two cars. One is car A and other is car B. Car A is like this, and you have another car, car B, like this. Okay. Now I have a question. If your supervisor say, please, Dr. Mudassir Ahmed, uh, travel from your home to university. Here is your home and here is your university. U for university and H for home. And the distance about and the distance about 30 kilometers. Which car you will choose for this journey? You have only two options, car A and car B.
I think car B.
Car B. And other participant, what is your answer? You can type within Zoom chat. Why car B? What is the reason you have chosen car B?
Because it seems to me it is well furnished, but
Okay. Okay. You mean it is furnished and complete.
yes.
Okay. And one more thing is that if you travel in this car, you can face lot of hurdles which are not included in your task. For example, if you travel in this car, you can face rain, You can face dust. You can face
Right, sir.
noise. You can face air. You can face uh, risk of stones. So a lot of hurdles you can face when you run this car. When? While when you run this car, you will be saved from these other conditions. You will be saved from rain. You will be saved from sunlight. You will be saved from dust. You will be saved from stones or noise. So car B is better for journey. No, if I say there is no engine in this car, this is just a frame. Although it is furnished, although it is uh, precious, although it is beautiful, but there is no engine in this car. Can you travel in this car from home to your university?
No, sir, it's not possible.
Not possible. Okay. Now I want to show you example of, definition of R programming and RStudio. Here is the definition. R programming is a programming language, a computer language. You can use it for multiple purpose. You can use it for web development. You can use it for app development. You can use it for package development. You can use it for data analysis. So our task is use of R programming for data analysis. And what is RStudio? RStudio is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. It provides environment on which we can run our programming. So if I say car A is R, because it consists of only engine, tire, seats, and handle are some necessary tools. So car A is R programming, while car B is RStudio. So RStudio is a frame, is a body. RStudio is a frame, is a body without engine. You can fit engine of R within this frame. For example, if you want to fit this engine within this car, this frame, it means we have integrated R within RStudio. RStudio is a frame. Without engine, there is no value of frame. Without engine, frame is not drivable. So for driving, you need a engine. So R is the engine and RStudio is the frame. If you pick this engine and adjust it within car B, no, it is working, it will work. You can drive this car B. But actually, car B is a frame. The working behind this car B is of car A. Actually, when you run car B, when you drive this car B, the engine of car A is working. It means it is just a frame. Actually, the working is of car A. That's why we are using RStudio, because provide us a comfort zone. Provide us a comfort zone, and we will save from many issues like dust, air, heat, cool, rain, noise. Lot of issues you can face when you run just R. And when you adjust this engine within this frame, you will saved from these hurdles. Clear? So R is the engine. Actual working of actually working is R, but within RStudio. You can run the engine of R within RStudio. Hope it's clear. Please, if you have any question at this stage about R and RStudio, you can ask. No, I want to show it practically. If clear, please all participant type clear. If you have any question, you can ask at this stage. If clear, please type clear within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. You need to respond for each and every question so that I can move next step smoothly. When you type done or clear, then I will move to next step. Otherwise, first I will resolve your issue, then I will move to next step. Okay. Now it's clear. Now I want to show you again R programming. Here is R programming. You can say there is only limited options in R programming. There is no option for import file. There is no option for plot. There is no option for graph, and there is no option for any analysis. There is no option for packages. It is just a simple engine. It is simple page. No, we will integrate this R programming into RStudio. Now I am showing you RStudio. Here is RStudio. We have integrated R into RStudio. You can check in my screen number. Here is in screen number 2. You can check R 4.4.2 is integrated into RStudio. So RStudio is a frame. RStudio is a structure. RStudio is a body of a car without R programming. When you run anything, when you apply any analysis, the engine of R will work, while RStudio provides you a comfortable zone, comfort zone. Okay. Now I want to move next step. In your RStudio, you can see 4 screens. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. Screen number 1, this is screen number 2, this is screen number 3, and this is screen number 4. You need to remember the number of all these screens, because when I say you please check screen number 2, you need to check screen number 2. When I say please come on screen number 3, you need to check screen number 3. When I show you please have a sight on screen number 4, you need to come on screen number 4. And when I say you please check your screen number 1, you need to come on screen number 1. So we have 4 screens, screen number 1, 2, 3, and 4. But these screens have some specific names. Maqsoodul Amin, have you 3 screens? Maqsoodul Amin, have you 3 screens? Please open your mic. I have allowed you. Please open your mic.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How many screens you have?
In RStudio,
Yes. You have 3 screens.
RStudio have 3 screens.
Okay.
Yes.
Like this. Here is a button of minimize
Yeah,
and
like
here is a button for
yeah.
minimize and maximize. Click on maximize button. It will show you 4 screens.
Okay, let's try. Okay, now it's 4 screen. Yes,
Okay.
but there is something not blank screen.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I have delete
Yeah.
all and each and everything for writing something here. So you don't
Okay.
need
Okay.
to which is on my screen, which is on your screen. You just need to confirm you have 4 screens. Okay. Now I want to explain
Sports.
something more about these 4 screens. Here are the number of these 4 screens, but these 4 screens have some specific names. As in definition of R programming, I have teach you R is a programming language. R is a language, and each and every language have vocabulary. Similarly, R also have vocabulary. So here I am typing for first word of R, which you will going to learn hashtag. It is the number sign, but in R, the word hashtag meaning heading, meaning heading, title, comments, notes. The meaning of hashtag is notes, heading, title, comments. Okay. Now I am typing here hashtag here. It's mean I am typing notes, comments or heading. So screen number 1. Second heading with hashtag. Each and every line which is with hashtag, it's mean it is heading, comments or notes. Screen number 2. Screen number 3. Screen number 4. We have 4 screens, screen number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And each screen have some specific name, have its specific name. For example, screen number 1, the name for screen number 1 is script file. The name of screen number 2 is console. The name of screen number 3 is global environment. Global environment. And screen number 4 is plot or packages. Plots are packages. So what are packages? We will learn this step in our next class because it is a big topic. Okay. Now we have 4 screen. The name of screen number 1 is uh, script file. Screen number 2, the name of screen number 2 console. The name of screen number 3 global environment, and the name of screen number 4 is plot. But all these screens have some specific role in RStudio. For example, screen number 1 will be used for script writing. Script writing. Screen number 2 will be used for showing you results, give you results of your script in the form of table, paragraph, or sentence. Screen number 3, global environment. Show you data set. Data set means Excel file or any other file format on which we want to perform statistical analysis. This file is known as dataset. So you can see your dataset in screen number 4. You can also import your dataset from screen number, screen number 3, not 4. Import file or data in screen number 3. Screen number 4 show you plots, also show you results in the form of plots. If your results are in the form of table, will appear in screen number 2. If the result of your analysis is in the form of graph, will appear in screen number 4. So screen number 1 used to write script, screen number 2 show you results, screen number 3 show you data set, and screen number 4 show you the results in the form of plot. Now I want to show you practically. You don't need to follow me. No, when I say, then you need to follow. Just watch and understand. Now, screen number 3, global environment, will use to import your Excel file. For example, I want to import an Excel file on which I want to perform analysis. So I am going to import. For example, here is the button import dataset. On screen number 3, here is a button. I am saying again, you don't need to do practice at this time. You just need to focus the working of these 4 screens. You don't need to focus on data. You don't need to focus on script. You don't need to focus on graph. You need to focus the working of these 4 screens, how these 4 screens work. What is the working of screen number 1? What is the working of screen number 2, 3, and 4? The working of screen number 3 is import dataset. So here is the import button. Click on it from Excel and browse. Here is file, Excel file. When you click on it, it will show you the dataset in 2 forms. First, it will show you in screen number 1. It is the detail of your dataset. While in screen number 3, it is imported. It is available in screen number 3. You don't need to do practice. You just need to watch. Today our topic is just understand what is the working of these 4 screens. You are not going to learn how to import Excel file. You are not learning how to import Excel file. We will learn how to import Excel file in our next class. Today we will just learning the working of these 4 screens. So you have you have seen the working of screen number 3. Screen number 3 show you the data set. Here is our data set name ficus in screen number 3. No, I am writing here a script. Here is script. For example, I want to take str What is str? You don't need to understand. You just need to focus on the working of these 4 screens. Str, type your file name and run this code. When you run it, it will give you results in the form of table in screen number 2. So here is the working of console. The name of screen number 2 is console. Here is console. Result, table, paragraph or sentence. When you run any command in, this is the script. This is the script in R language. When you run this line, it will show you results in, if its results is in data form, it will appear in screen number 2. But if the results are in plot, it will appear in screen number 4. Now, I am typing here plot, ficus, and run. Now the result of this now the result of this line, this script, this is the script, second script. The result of the script is in the form of plot. It appeared in screen number 4. Now you can see the working of these all 4 screens here. Screen number 1 used to write script. Here we have write 2 scripts. Screen number 2 show you results in the form of table or paragraph, while the results shown in the form of graph or images in screen number 4. And screen number 3 will be used to import your data set. It also show you the saved data set in your screen, in your RStudio. Please confirm, type done if it is cleared. Please type done or clear. If you have any question or any confusion, you can ask. I am repeating it again. The screen number 1, 2, 3, and 4. The name of screen number 1 is script file. The name of screen number 2 console. The name of screen number 3 global environment. And the name of screen number 4 plots or packages. Please, if clear, type clear so that I can move to next step. Now you have a clear-cut idea about these 4 screens and names. Now, I want to move to next step. Our next question is working directory. So our first task was what is the difference between R and RStudio and second question, what is working directory and how to import how to create working directory. Now our next question is working directory. So first we need to understand what is working directory. Working directory actually is a folder. Is like a folder. Is like a folder. So what is the difference between folder and working directory? We create folder within window. Why? We create folder within our programming. We call within window is known as folder, and the folder created within R programming by using R programming is known as working directory. It's mean the name of it's mean folder and working directory are the two names for a single thing, which means save keben. It is also have a name keben. Folder is also a keben. Working directory is also a keben. So actually working directory is a folder. Same like as we created folder in our PC or in our mobile phone or in our laptop. But the difference between folder and working directory is that you can create folder within your window, while you can only create working directory within RStudio. No, if I say you please create a folder, you can open your desktop, right click, it will show you new, click on new folder, it will give you new folder. But when I say please create a working directory, then you need to come on screen number 3. Please all participants come on screen number 3. All participants. Please all participants come on screen number 3. Here is screen number 3. In screen number 3, at the top right corner of the screen number 3, there is a word or there is a name batch 62 in my case. So I am typing here batch 62. And maybe you have project none instead of batch 62. Please confirm me. Have you any batch? Have you any working directory name? Or showing you project none? Please confirm all participants. Please remember it is live training. You need to perform each and every step live by following me. Project none. So no, it means you don't have any working directory. It means you don't have any folder for RStudio. So first you need to create working directory. So for creating working directory, all participants please click on it, project none. When you click on project none, it will show you a list. But in my case, this is different as compared to you. You need to click on first option, that is new project. Click on new project. It will ask you want to save. Maybe it will not ask you, but in my case, because I have done some work, that's why it is asking me want to save this work. So I am saying no, don't save. If your work is important, you can save this work in for later use. When you click on this project none, it will show you 3 screens: new directory, existing directory, and version control. When you click on it, it will show you 3 options: new directory, existing directory, version control. You need to click on new directory. Again, it will show you multiple options. New project, R project, Shiny application, Corto project, Corto website, Corto blog, Corto book. We are going to create a new project because our task is data analysis. So we need to create a new project. Click on new project. Here it is asking about you the folder name, which name you want to give your folder or working directory. So we want to give its name batch 65, sorry, batch 63, batch 63. You don't need to give any space. If you want to give space, add underscore, because there is no meaning of space in our language. And select browse and give location where you want to save your folder. I give a location, local disk E, click on open button and create project. When you click on it, it will show you a new project with three screens. No, it is showing me in screen number 3, batch 63. Here is batch 63. Maybe you also have no batch 63. No, I have done. I have done and created working directory successfully. No, I am typing here batch 63 appeared. Please all participants type done. If you have any issue, you can share your screen or you can open your mic. If you have done, type done within chat. Okay, thank you. Now our today class was till this step. Now in our next class, which will be tomorrow, we will perform what are packages, how to import Excel file, and how to create some basic plots by reading and writing R programming. So in our next class, we will learn reading and writing of R language. So please, all participants, make sure you have done all these steps. I will also share the recording of this video. You can also watch this video and complete this step before next class.
Sir, I have one question, please, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have one folder that plot in the global environment, but your section, it is in the section 4.
Can you
Plot.
share your screen?
Yes, sir. Share.
On Zoom bar, there is a button for share.
Zoom bar. What is the screen share option, sir? Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, are you?
Yes, I have allowed you.
Look.
Please again share.
I have the plot console here.
Please share your screen. I understand your issue. Share your screen. I will resolve it. Please share your screen.
Yes, sir, I am sharing.
Again share. Click on share button.
Yes,
it's sharing. Yes. You need to you have your
here is my plot.
No. Your plot is missing. Wait. There is no option. Here is plot. Okay. You need to adjust your environment from setting. Okay. First click on this button. This button. Yeah, this button.
button.
Yes. Here is
Yes.
console left. Click on pane layout. Yes. Here is click on this. Here is global environment. Screen number 4. Not yes. Untick this plot. Please untick this plot.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
And tick on screen number 4. No. Come. Yes.
Oh,
Here. Tick. Apply.
good.
Apply.
Apply.
Below. Here is apply button. At the bottom of this page. Please. Here is.
আচ্ছা
I think there may be zoom bar.
এটা তো জুম বার yes sir জুম বার oh yeah ঠিক আছে স্যার
Apply and OK.
oh
Now
great
you have plots in screen number 4.
thank
Good.
you sir
Okay, good. Thank you. Now our
Very
next
good,
class,
sir. Thank you.
tomorrow we will work on some important topics. What is package? So don't miss this class because it is very basic and very important class for next classes. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you sir